Hi folks, Saeed Johnson, MarineMax Sailandski. Come with me on this walkthrough. It should be informative and fun.
The 2019 Bayliner Element F21 center console has the M-shaped hull for stability and smooth turning. This particular boat has a LIVEWELL bait well, the center console pedestal seat with rod holders. It's got the trolling motor, has 44-gallon fuel tank capacity. New in 2019, Bayliner powder coated the T-top, which gives it a great look and provides protection and durability. This boat also has the 150 horsepower engine. It's got a rear boarding ladder, and it is priced with the trailer. Come out and see this boat. It's awesome.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.